Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And because cryptos are open 24/7, it'll keep this video and chart relevant for the entire weekend long. So what I want to do is focus on a few levels and kind of set up the context of this question. And the question revolves around the fact that the price has made a nice bounce. You got to give credit where credit's due. I mean, I think at one point the price was down here and now the price is right here. Granted, yeah, I get it. There has been a pullback, but still from where it was to where it is right now, Ripple has made a good move. But that does lead to the valid question going into the weekend. And that question is just, very straightforward in the sense of, well, is there any sort of true power behind this bounce though? Yeah, there's no doubt about it. The price has bounced, but is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but that's where this level right here at 28 cents is going to come into play, that green line there. Why is 28 cents so important over the weekend? Well, let's hopefully agree on some logic here that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thank you, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement has genuine power, it's not going to go back to where it was because that would be a contradiction. I agree. So with that in mind, think about 28 cents. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here and then pretty much does what it's already done a couple of times already. So bounces around that area and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you still have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what truly strong moves are going to do. They're going to make progress forward. And one final time in this situation over the weekend, my quote unquote make progress point is 28 cents. So in other words, if you're watching this, let's just say on Sunday evening, ask yourself, where's the price relative to 28 cents? If the price is still up above 28, then that tells you that this bounce is still in play. It tells you that the bounce still has that opportunity to continue to build those higher bases. If you're answering the question, well, the price is actually down below 28, or maybe even crazy, the price is down below 27, well, then obviously this was just a dead cat bounce. The question has been answered, and there is actually not any sort of true power behind this. And then, of course, if the price, you're answering the question, well, actually the price is up above 31 right now, which is that red line, that would tell you that this indeed was not a dead cat. There's, not only are the bulls gaining control, they're building that much more momentum with it. So keep an eye on these couple levels. Ask yourself those questions, and that'll keep this video relevant all weekend long. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.